Crafters. Welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and this is about the Palo Verde Patchers Sun City West quilt show that we had mid-February here out in Sun City West. So this is a few of the quilts. We had 200 plus quilts that were entered along with the boutique and everything else that was there. But this is our take on some of the cool quilts that were there, things that we liked, things that jumped out. It is not necessarily best in show. It is not just first place quilts. It's the quilts that we walked by and went, wow, that's just really cool. There were absolutely gorgeous quilts. I'm telling you, the women that are in this guild with me do some amazing work, and I'm so blessed to have that group around me to help mentor and teach me this crazy craft called quilting. But with that said, we picked out what we thought jumped out at us, what resonated with us, and it's not traditional piecing, it's not just applique, it's just a variety of things that we like as far as shapes, sizes, and colors. And of course, you may find a Tula Pink quilt in this collection. So over the next couple of minutes, I am going to show you some of the quilts that we liked. Hope you enjoy those. And guys, as always, hope you have an amazing rest of your week.